Your windows play a crucial role in maintaining the comfort, energy efficiency, and overall appeal of your home. Over time, however, even the most durable windows can wear down due to the effects of weather, age, and regular use. For homeowners in Washington, where the weather can fluctuate from cold, snowy winters to hot, humid summers, it's essential to ensure your windows are up to the task. If your windows are outdated or damaged, it might be time for a replacement. In this article, we'll outline the top signs that it's time to invest in residential window installation in your Washington home. Recognizing these warning signs early can help you avoid more significant problems down the road and improve the overall performance of your home. Drafts and temperature fluctuation. If you feel cold drafts in the winter or notice that certain rooms in your home are warmer than others in the summer, your windows could be to blame. Over time, the seals around windows can deteriorate, allowing air to leak in or out of your home. In a city like Washington, where temperatures can range drastically throughout the year, it's important to have windows that keep your home properly insulated. Energy inefficiency. Windows that let in drafts or heat can make it difficult to regulate the temperature inside your home, forcing your heating and cooling systems to work harder. This leads to higher energy bills and less comfort. Condensation issues. If you notice condensation forming between the panes of your windows, this is a clear sign that your window seals have failed. This can lead to moisture buildup, which can damage your window frames and affect your home's overall insulation. Residential window installation can provide you with energy-efficient windows that reduce drafts, improve insulation, and keep your home comfortable year-round, helping to lower your energy bills. Visible damage or wear. If your windows have visible damage, it's a strong indicator that they need to be replaced. Issues such as cracked glass, rotting wood, or warped frames can compromise the integrity of your windows and affect your home's security and energy efficiency. Cracks or chips in glass. Any cracks or chips in the window glass are not just a cosmetic issue. They can also weaken the window and compromise your home's security. Even small cracks can let in air, water, and dust, which further affect your home's comfort. Rotting or warped frames. Wooden window frames can deteriorate over time due to moisture exposure, leading to rot or warping. This can affect how well your windows open and close and may even cause gaps that let air or water into your home. If you notice serious damage to your windows, it's best to replace them as soon as possible to prevent further damage to your home and improve both security and comfort. Excessive noise. Living in Washington, with its bustling streets, busy neighborhoods, and urban sounds, can make peace and quiet a rare commodity in your home. If you notice that external noise is seeping into your living spaces more than usual, it could be a sign that your windows are no longer providing adequate soundproofing. Old single-pane windows. Older homes in Washington may still have single-pane windows, which offer very little in terms of soundproofing. Newer, double-pane or triple-pane windows are designed to block out external noise more effectively, making your home quieter and more peaceful. If noise from traffic, construction, or street activities is becoming a constant distraction, it may be time for a residential window replacement to improve your home's acoustics and provide a quieter living environment. Difficulty opening or closing windows. If your windows are becoming stiff or difficult to open or close, it's a clear sign that they are aging or damaged. Windows that won't open or close properly can be a safety hazard, especially in case of an emergency. Sticking or jamming. Over time, wooden windows can swell or warp due to moisture, causing them to stick or become difficult to operate. Similarly, metal windows can corrode, leading to stuck sashes and difficulty in opening or closing them smoothly. Security risks. Windows that don't close or lock properly pose a security risk. Burglars often target easily accessible windows, and if your window can't be securely shut, it could provide an easy entry point for intruders. New residential windows will provide smooth functionality and ensure that your windows open and close with ease, providing better security and comfort. High energy bills. If you've noticed a sudden increase in your energy bills, it could be due to your windows no longer performing efficiently. Old, outdated windows allow air to leak in and out, making it harder for your heating and cooling systems to maintain a stable indoor temperature. Ineffective insulation. Older windows, especially those with single panes or outdated seals, offer poor insulation, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime to maintain a comfortable temperature. This results in higher energy consumption and increased utility bills. Condensation between panes. If you notice condensation between the panes of your double-pane windows, it indicates that the seal has broken, allowing air to pass through. This reduces the effectiveness of your windows and contributes to higher energy costs. By replacing old windows with energy-efficient options, you can reduce energy loss, keep your home comfortable, and lower your monthly utility bills. Increased maintenance cost. If you're spending more time and money maintaining your windows than you'd like, it may be a sign that it's time for a replacement. Frequent repairs, such as fixing drafts, replacing broken glass, or resealing old windows, can add up over time. Investing in new windows eliminates the need for ongoing repairs and offers long-term savings. Less maintenance. New residential windows are designed to be low maintenance and durable. Materials like vinyl and fiberglass are resistant to warping, rotting, and fading, ensuring that your windows remain in good condition without requiring frequent upkeep. Conclusion. If you're noticing any of these signs, drafts, damage, excessive noise, difficulty operating your windows, high energy bills, or increased maintenance costs, it's time to consider residential window installation for your Washington home. Upgrading your windows can improve energy efficiency, enhance your home's security, reduce outside noise, and increase overall comfort. Investing in new windows not only boosts your home's aesthetic appeal but also ensures that your home is more secure, energy efficient, and comfortable for years to come. Don't wait for the problem to worsen. Contact a professional today to explore your window replacement options and enjoy the benefits of a more efficient, beautiful home.